Okay, here we are, getting some sawdust. Good, fine sawdust right there. Sawdust cannon. Okay, it's 2015, time for the Christmas cannon. This is our sawdust cannon right here. We're just airing it up right now. Looks like we've got about 100 pounds of pressure in the tank right there. You can see how it's built. We've got it on a little trailer. Here's our little mule to fill it. Filling up full of air right now. Filling full of air right here. Here's the sawdust. And there's the cannon right there. We'll change the trajectory once we get it set outside. Okay, yeah, looks like we about have it all full of air, and so we'll pull it out. Full moon!
Okay, that's good. Because we're going to get close to that trailer.
Yeah.
We don't have to record the whole thing. Just pretty close. Okay, all right. We have people out here who are getting her all set up. We've determined that we have a vertical launch position here. And so we're going to unroll the string so we can get a safe distance back from our gate latch, which if this gate latch right here triggers, this will all explode on us. So okay, everyone's getting in position now. Looking for the string right here. Anybody have a light?
When you're close.
There.
Okay. Everybody clear! Clear! Clear!